Today, Toby and Jeremy are going to work on a clay bell or clay mobile. So first step is painting our clay. We're going to paint the top and the sides. You want to use very little paint, so you keep spreading it out. Just spread it out, work it around there quite a bit. Make it as thin as possible. You don't want to see any clumps, so any clumps right over here that we might see, we want to keep working out. Make it super thin so it dries fast, and then we can go to the next step. Take your time painting the top, or which is actually the bottom of the pot, and all of the sides. And then let it dry for maybe 20 minutes or so before we do the next step. When it dry, we can make sure we've gathered all our materials. So we have a necklace, we have some bells, we have a really big button. The button is going to help hold it up. 4 pipe cleaners, beads of all sizes, and some stickers. And again, we're waiting about 20 minutes or so for the bell to dry, or the mobile, making sure we have all our materials. Okay, the next step as we're letting our bell dry is working on deciding what color of pipe cleaner we're going to use. I'm going to use a red one. We have the large button. The button actually is going to go underneath the bell, inside the bell, to hold it up. So I'm going to string the pipe cleaner through one hole, go back through another, and it really doesn't matter which hole you do. You want it to be pretty equal on both sides, and you're going to pull it tight, just like that. Now this is what's going to hold the bell up, inside the hole of the pot, and it holds the bell up. Next step is working on some designs, and you can decide whichever pipe cleaner you're going to use. I'm going to choose to use the blue one. We can start to do some beads. Now the beads can go on. You want to make sure that they're large enough to go through. Now almost all the beads should go through. You want to stop about halfway. I'm going to put a few smaller beads, then a bigger bead, and then a couple smaller beads here. Now this one's a little too small, so I'm going to move on to another one. The white bead. We can do a green bead. Maybe we can alternate back and forth between some large and small beads. So we can go all the way down, and then we leave just a little bit of space and we'll curl it up. For now, we're going to stop the video and we're going to continue. You guys can decorate 2 of these with all kinds of beads if you like. We're going to save the other one for other decoration. At this point, what I've done is I have put some beads on the pipe cleaner. I've used small ones, large ones. I've put it through the button, the pipe cleaner. I've added some stickers on the outside of the bell. It's dry now. And then the next step is connecting things. So what I've done is I have twisted the necklace through around the different pipe cleaners. I've run the pipe cleaner through, and it holds it up just like this. So now I have some decoration around here. I can add a little more with the other pipe cleaner. I can kind of use it as a sculpture, and I can also add the bells. What I have is some bells with some designs. I've hooked the top, and it's ready to hang up, so it can make a little noise, but it's more of a little sculptural piece that can be decorative.